Don't you know you're not even gonna get what you know what I hear is? That's what to do when I'm not even gonna get on this fucking rap trap. I'm gonna get on the rapping grass rapping me. No, I'm gonna rip with it, yeah, baby. Yeah, more than I'm not even gonna get it to true. Don't you know? Gonna get it, but you're ripping it up on the rap song. Here we go on the water bone. Get it to what you like, we're gonna get it in. And each and every time I do it, look at a man, look fun all the fucking western with it. I'm gonna go how you want me to flow, spit around, I'm gonna get it in. And I'm gonna go on the road again, on the way down country now with my fishing pole and a ball of sand. Up, no, I'm pulling out tadpoles from the pothole, not to get it right. What you want me to be, right? I'm gonna go all the way down to the heart at the oak tree. And I'm not even gonna get what you want me to be. Oh, deep we come on and the do, and I'm not even gonna get it to you. I'm in some kind of a way. And I'm not even gonna get this shit to play. Bump it up, and I'm not even gonna get it to the hillbilly day. Don't forget to what you want me to be. Just get in the place again with the grenade. I get it to that kind of a say. Don't you know I'm gonna get it to explode? Every time I do a rhyme trap, I'm gonna bring it down from the behind of the line. Then I get the tutor from the tutor. Then I get the snorting whatever I want to do. Fool, don't you know I'm gonna act kind of a fool? Fool, it's going to go into the flow, mastic your wine. Put a plastic bag over your head because I'm getting ready to suffocate ya. Don't think that I got in, but I'm not even gonna get what you gonna do about. It's like a biscuit, don't you know about it? Just put a plastic bag over her mouth. Cut a hole out for the mouth just for easy access. Don't you know how much I'm even gonna get access? Just don't bitch and you won't get charged. Bitch and feel the day. Yeah, this is like Gilligan Island. Nothing wrong when I get a go on the 7-year voyage. I don't even give a fuck about how many leaves of porridge you gonna get about. Oh, bumpity doody, bumpity da. I'm gonna get it to ripping it down on the road. Oh, nothing I'm gonna get it to. I'm gonna get it right. Each and every time I'm gonna get it to. I'm gonna get it a bit over to be level on the level. Get it past the level, don't you know how we gonna go? Oh, up on the stove, don't you get it to whipping it. We're gonna make it cookies today. Yeah, making it cookie cream, don't you ice cream, ice cream, don't you get it to be Mr. Clean on the fucking Swiffer day. Don't you get it to Whipper, Swiffer on the fucking Swift of the Swiffer. The believer, what the day, don't you know? Got a bent over her asshole, got her asshole up in the air. This is what I'm not even gonna be. How many times am I not even gonna say, I got it in her. Yeah, pokey poke, don't even take it to no kind of a joke.